Balinese traditional house. Hey.
That's the food from animals. So they becoming like this because Luwak didn't chew the bean.
Poo coffee.
Live in harmony.
Ini Gusti.
Hello, I'm Gusti. Nice to meet you.
Gusti is our driver for today. Oh, there's the girl. Gusti's an old family friend. He's been looking after both our families for many years now. We're going to be visiting a traditional Balinese village. Of course, we're going to be having some Balinese coffee. And we're going to visit a waterfall. So let's go.
Of the village is called Batuan Village.
Oh, yes.
Everything in Indonesia, in English, and this is in Balinese. The number of the house in this village,
Yes.
and then they have also the name of the community, and then this is the name of the leader of the family. And then here they have male 2 person, female 3 person, and altogether is 5 people together. Alright, welcome back with me Gusti.
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. Yeah. So this is our Balinese traditional house look like. So they spread out a few building in our traditional house that we're getting from our ancestor, like grandparent. So this version of the traditional Balinese house, we call it Balinese house compound. All the material they are made from the clay. There is no concrete. In the corner there, it's always in the northeast part of the family compound. We have the family temple where everybody's in this compound. They're going there to worshiping every day. Before we having a breakfast, also we put the rice to be our breakfast. We offer in the morning. Chicken coming and eat the breakfast. So in our family temple also we have family temple ceremonies. Usually we decorate our temple nicely with clouds, umbrella, and young coconut leaf, everything. Building in the family compound we call Jaba Utara. This is the building or the house for the oldest people who live in this family. Give them the high position, high compound or the building. Yeah. And then from here we have other building. We call it Jaba Tengah. This is for social building. So for meeting friends or people who pass away, we put in there before we go to the funeral. Sometimes also when there is one of the family member we getting married here with all these ritual. All the priests also be blessing here. Swastiastu, Bu. Swastiastu. Yes. She's the family member preparing for her food probably, or drink. Open fire kitchen with wood fire in the top. And then this is a bucket for all the waters. And this one is for filtering the rice. And then, yeah, it's hot because no fan. And then this is the cupboard for food, to put all of their food. They cooking in the morning for their lunch and dinner. Sukses semua, Bu. Pamit teman, Diki teman ya.
Terima kasih, Bu.
Terima kasih.
Hot in that kitchen.
And this is other family houses for other family members. This is the bathroom outside.
Yep.
Yeah. And this is the pig. They might have, or you might have no pig. Oh, there are no pig. They have chicken.
No one
instead
here,
of
but
pig.
that's chickens.
Yes. They usually have a pig.
Yeah.
Now they have chicken. This one is where they keep the rice. It's on the top there. Because in Bali, all the villagers are farming.
Yeah.
So rice are very important for Balinese. Tradition.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we always pet dog, cat, and chicken. Yeah. All free range. They live all together. Live in harmony.
Of course, you can't visit a local village without making a purchase. I haven't worn a sarong for years. Good time as any to start again.
Hi, welcome back with me, Gusti. We can go to visit our second Balinese compound in our new design and our new architecture. Okay, so this is at the gate. You can go to visit the Balinese compound. Call it Bali Gede, a social building. Yeah. And then in the north side we had Menten for the oldest people who live in this family. And then we have also the family temple in the corner. But all coming in a new concept, new architecture. But we're still keeping the traditional local architecture.
Yeah.
With all the carved, with all the sculpture and everything. And then the building, all they carved by hand. It's all they made from their local knowledge.
Yeah.
They're getting from their parent and past generation to generation. The Balinese bamboo music. I can play.
We call it RINDIK.
We call it RINDIK. Yeah, wow.
That's the traditional music. Oh, wow.
That's it. I have my second song. All right, you want to try?
He's like, please don't look at me.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, he is. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. Yes, he's making coffee for us.
Yeah. You want to smell it? This is lemongrass. Oh, you know it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
This
Very
lemongrass. I love lemongrass too.
Oh, here's the poo.
Yeah, that's the food from animals. So they becoming like this because Luwak didn't chew the bean. So the poo come out like that. And after this, we wash. We wash first, we dry it, and becoming like this. When you peel skin, inside the skin you can see beans like this one. And after this, we wash again.
Yep.
Until very clean and sterile. And they become like this. More clean and sterile beans. And after this, we roasting like that. After roasting, we ground it.
Yum. Smell.
You can smell the coffee. After roasting, we ground it
Bang
until
bang.
become powder. And the last, we sift it. It's a coffee powder.
Cool.
Six semua. So for the first, guys. If you want to try Luwak coffee here, I will charge you 60,000 rupiah for one cup. You want to try Luwak coffee?
Of course.
How many cups?
Just one.
Just one, okay. You don't like coffee? Tea tester.
So we have
This one a mango stem.
mango,
stem, turmeric,
Yep.
ginger, rosella, your favorite lemongrass,
grass,
and a lemon tea, green tea, and a matcha.
Pisang goreng.
Pisang goreng.
Fried banana.
That's right, fried banana. And this for the coffee. This coffee tester.
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
no.
Make you strong.
Yeah.
Poo coffee. It's more expensive than drugs.
Mohon maaf, jalan ditutup sementara. Oh, they close the street. We might going here probably.
Okay.
Yeah. Called Taman Sari Waterfall. So around this area, we can go visit 3 waterfall, which is close each other. So
Okay.
we can go visit Tibumana and Lampo.
Bali has literally hundreds of waterfalls.
Tibumana Waterfall.
There's only one problem with going down a whole lot of stairs to visit a waterfall. Coming back up. Keep going. Right, this one's a bit of a track. Very slippery steps. Tibumana. Well, you got to climb up from this too.
Like a small one. With slow motion too. That's look pretty. Yeah.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, but if you only want to.
Yeah, so we came down a lot of steps to see that one. But you've got to climb back up. Oi.
Oh wow.
Terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih.
Oh, it's called coconut. I see.
Cold coconut always nice. The best.
Pop the lid off. Yeah, so if you're feeling a bit dehydrated, you really can't beat the coconut. You start to feel better straight away. You're really good. Watch out, tourists. Kopi Waterfall.
Next is Kanto Lampo Waterfall with big scary looking stick. This we call ogoh ogoh.
Well, it sounds scary.
Scary looking
Yeah, he looks scary. Those nails, yeah. Selamat siang. Ya, ya. Terima kasih. Alright, so after a day of pounding coffee shots, including one made out of poo, and walking 10 to 15,000 steps up, 10 to 15,000 steps down, visiting some pretty cool waterfalls, we're a little bit tired and I think we're done for the day.
Thank you.
Alright, well that's it for today. It's been a great day. We've got our steps in, and if you're interested in the services of our boy Gusti here, I'm going to leave his details in the description, okay? You can get a hold of him on WhatsApp and you can get a hold of him on Facebook Messenger. He'll always get back to you. So, we're done for the day. We will catch you in the next video. Until then, get a little joy in your life. We all need it. I will catch you on the flip-flop.
Hey, very good.